I have a Hyundai here. This one, something fell on the roof. I have a Hyundai here. This one, something fell on the roof, crushed the entire roof all throughout the middle, and even the front's crushed. So it also did crush this roof rail as well. I already fixed this last week, but I was waiting on the new roof to come in. I finally got that, which I have right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this roof cut off, and then I will start getting the new one fit up and welded on. So this is some epoxy primer I mixed up that I'm putting down where the windshield urethane goes. And I will also put it down at where the back glass urethane goes as well. This is the way they want it prepped before sticking the glass.